everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're an existing subscriber, I really appreciate you. If you're a new viewer, please like, subscribe and share if you enjoy this content. Now in today's episode, I'm headed to Nanshan in Shenzhen, a place called Haus Nowhere. It's basically like an exhibition center where they have made these sculptures of a novel, a fictional novel, and it's based on an insect kingdom, right? So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna go in there, get proper footage for you guys to have a look and also enjoy with me. So come with me as I head to Haus Nowhere. So basically I found the entrance. I did walk just a little bit, and the entrance is not right by the road. I mean, where the drop off is, if you get a cab and you get off, it's not right there. You would have to walk in between these buildings in order for you to get to the entrance of Haus Nowhere. But the best way to find it, I think, in my opinion, I just asked the locals there and then they would just point you in the right direction. So I'm now making my way into Haus Nowhere's to have a look at what they had to offer. So this is actually a brand new place. It was opened just this year. So it was actually opened on September 5th, 2024. This is the third world's Haus Nowhere in Shenzhen, China. It is created by Gentle Monster. This space goes beyond traditional retail, offering a bold vision for the future of shopping. Here, art and innovation come together to create an experience where imagination and commerce meet. A truly unique place to explore the future of retail. So basically, I'm seeing the sculptures. They're usually like giants and stuff. But what I'm noticing is some of these eyeglasses are like way expensive, like 1,000 something for shades. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe because it's in here, but okay. Actually, some of them are not for sale. This one, for instance, not for sale. So some of them are not for sale. I think you can put them on to maybe take a photo or something, but you don't have to pay for it. But then other ones are actually for sale. If you want to buy it, you can actually. I hope the ones that are for sale, they have actual ones packaged away, because I wouldn't want to pay for something that literally everyone has tried on. You know what I'm saying? So I think the brand is Gentle Monster. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah. And if you want to pay, this should be the place for that, I think. So I'm gonna go on ahead and head on to the other side to see what they actually got. Yeah, so there's like a second floor. I haven't really seen this part. Well, we got a lot of eyeglasses, quite expensive. Or maybe I'm a cheapskate, I don't know. But yeah. What's this? Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Usually,
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So this happens a lot more often, where people just walk up to you and just want to take photos. With you. I actually prefer those ones, because those ones are a lot more polite, because they ask you before they take the photo. Ooh, this one moves. I didn't know it could move. Wait, I need to get a better height. Sure. You're welcome. So I just noticed the other sculpture in the glass can actually move. I'm trying to get a better footage of it. So that's it right there. what they've got to offer upstairs. Let's see how that goes. Oh, basically they have like everything written out here on for each floor. So basically the first floor was Gentle Monsters, and then the second floor, and then we got the third floor as well. So you can see everything is well listed out for you to see exactly what they got on each floor. So we're gonna go on ahead and see what's up here as well. Alright, this is actually quite nice. So on this side, oh, it has this art view. This is like super nice, has this art view. So I can't get any closer than that. Also, it's not very necessary because like you can get all the footage that you want from here. And then going on to the other side, we got like this is like a shop where they sell clothes. I wonder how much these go for, you know, if you think about it. But I don't know what this is. But like it does look nice. I wonder how much these things cost. So their style is really nice. It's not the usual, you know, shops where things are in like it's more like an exhibition, I think.
As we wrap up our journey through Haus Nowhere here in Shenzhen, it's clear this place offers more than just a unique design and aesthetic. It's a hidden gem blending nature, art, and innovation, making it perfect for anyone looking to experience something fresh and inspiring. From the architecture to the tranquil landscapes, every corner of Haus Nowhere tells a story and invites you to be a part of it. Thanks for coming along on this adventure, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more unique travel spots around the world. Until then, see you next time.